Hi friends, it's Mariz. In this video, I will show you how to create a top and filter using a parameter in Tableau. So you can interactively choose how many products you want to display, whether it's top 5, top 10, or any number you want to display. So let's jump right in. So here we have a horizontal bar chart showing the sales per product. To create a parameter, go over the data pane. So that's the panel on the left side where all of your fields are listed. Click the tiny drop-down arrow and then select Create Parameter. Let's just name our parameter to top N. Change the data type to integer and set the current value to 10. So this just means that it will show the top 10 products by default, but don't worry, we will make it adjustable later. And once you're done, click OK. So now you will see the parameter that we have created appear here in the parameters section in the data pane. Now let's apply this parameter as a filter. So let's go to the product and click the drop-down arrow, select filter, go to the top tab, select by field, and under this box that says 10, click the drop-down arrow and select the parameter that we have created, which is top N. Make sure that the field is sales and the aggregation is sum, and then click OK. Now, to make this interactive, we want to display the parameter on the screen. So let's go to our parameter and click the arrow down button and select Show Parameter. Now you will see a control on the right side of your screen where you can type in any number. So for example, I want to see just the top 5 products. I will just simply type in 5 and hit enter. And that's how you create a top and filter using a parameter in Tableau. Check out my other tutorials to learn more about Tableau. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or video requests, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.